Okay, so nice to see you all. Okay, so today is Saturday. Okay, and yes, I know most of you are eagerly waiting for the IPL to begin. Okay, it's fantastic. So I just wanted to know how many of you hate cricket. Okay, they dislike, no, hate. Okay, how many of you hate cricket? You click on yes icon. Okay, how many of you hate cricket? Okay, dislike, okay, not interested, ಹಾಗೆ hate. Okay, if you hate cricket, then you click on the yes icon. Okay, and if you do not, want this IPL and all that, you can click on the yes icon. Okay, and those who are big fan of cricket, IPL, Dhoni, everything, you can click on thumbs up. Okay, so if you are a big fan of cricket and everything, okay, so then you can click on the yes icon. Okay, it's very nice. Okay, very nice. Okay, because you see, like before, I was not a big fan of cricket. I did not like so much. Okay, so when I went to college, things changed. Okay, my stupid friends so converted me. I became cricket fan, football fan, and all that. Thank God I did not become NBA fan and all that. Okay, because you see, like too much, and I also became Formula One fan. So a lot of things happened when I went to college. Okay, so for everyone else, okay, so cricket or IPL, especially this time, is very very important because there's a lot of negativity in the society as well as in the country, and this IPL would definitely distract people from all this. You see, every day I see news, they'll be telling bloody 97,000 cases today, 94,000 cases today. Okay, people are dying. Okay, India is corona favorite country and all that. Okay, so how many of you hear such news? Okay, about all this, how badly India is affected by corona and everything. So every time, either this or they'll be telling about Sushant. Okay, Sushant's case. Okay, so usually they'll be talking about this. There are many people who recovered from corona also. Okay, there are thousands of people. Okay, so who have completely recovered from corona. Why don't you show those cases? Okay, so build some positive inspiration among people. But no, they want to show people who are dying. Okay, people who are struggling, suffering from corona. They only show that. Why? Okay, but at least now, because of the IPL, okay, things will get completely shifted towards IPL, and it's larger than life. Okay, so people are very very crazy about this, and cricket is more than just a game. It's an emotion. Okay, and now people have something to watch, something to celebrate apart from this stupid corona cases. That is what I like. Okay, so that is what I like. People should need something, otherwise they'll get depressed. Okay, so that is why even I am also kind of interested in, especially this year's IPL. Isala cup namde. Okay, Isala cup namde. That's all. I have decided RCB is gonna win this year. How? Don't ask. Okay. So moving on. Okay, so anyway, 2 hours to go for the IPL to begin. Okay, so till then, so we have our class as well. So I'm going to show you, okay, what is the plan for today's class. So ninth standard. Okay, yes. Okay, so we have to do so many things today. Okay, so a lot of things remaining, and yes, so we're going to start the new series. Okay, we're going to start the new series. So what is the new series? Okay, so I'm going to start with this very famous organization. Okay, so which organization is that? So on your screen, you're going to see the video now. So yes,
Defense Research and Development
is organization. Okay, government organization video. Okay, so which is DRDO. Okay, Defense Research and Development Organization. So how many of you knew about this DRDO before? okay, how many of you knew about this DRDO before? Okay, because you see they are very much in news. Okay, so nowadays whenever they contribute to our defense services, okay, so basically by making some equipment, okay, or helping our defense, okay, that is the main job. Okay, but the DRDO has like very amazing facilities. Okay, so how do I know this? Because I had been to DRDO, okay, when I was in school. You see, I was in Kendriya Vidyalaya, Indian Institute of Science. Similarly, DRDO also has its own Kendriya Vidyalaya. Okay, Kendriya Vidyalaya, DRDO, which is there in Bangalore. Okay, so we had this inter KV competitions and all that. Okay, so that time, so we had been to DRDO representing IISc. Okay, so a beautiful campus, man. I just can't, just imagine, okay, how good these government companies are. Lot of facilities. Oh my God, they have the best things possible. Okay, so another important thing is that, okay, the campus name is also based on some great scientists. Okay, the entire area is CV Raman Nagar. Okay, so CV Raman Nagar is where you have the DRDO campus in Bangalore. Okay, they have Kendriya Vidyalaya, DRDO. Okay, so a lot of exposure. So amazing experience. So there's so many branches as well as campus of DRDO across India. Okay, but in Bangalore, so they have their huge campus in CV Ramanagar. So that is where I went. Okay, so amazing experience. They showed us all this auditorium. They showed the institute and everything. Oh my God, it's like too much. Because you see, when you are a student, you get to participate in all these exhibitions. Okay, they show their institute and everything. Okay, they explain the process, what is happening and all, because they want students to get inspired, motivated. And the best thing, you will definitely get inspired and motivated. Okay, that is the whole point of having this new series video based on Indian organizations. So before you become a fan of Elon Musk or SpaceX, you should be a fan of Indian organizations as well, because you do not know how great they are. Okay, but saying this, there are also some drawbacks. What are the drawbacks? Okay, I'm going to ask you a question. So you saw in the video, what was the total number of employees? Okay, what was the total number of employees of DRDO across full India? Okay, what is the number of employees? You saw in the beginning of the video. So very nice, Sumit. Yes, have told correct answer. So Janvi also correct, then Sneha and others. If you do not know, no problem. So I will show you again the slide. Okay, you see here the total number of employees is 30,000. Okay, so as per this the slide, and look at the number of scientists. This is the drawback. Okay, this is the drawback. You see, you have just 5,000 scientists only. Out of the 30,000 employees, only 5,000 are scientists. Others are other job. Okay, admin. Okay, then some random jobs. The number of scientists posts should be more. Okay, so they should recruit more scientists. They should recruit more engineers. Okay, they should recruit more such technical background people. They should be the dominating factor. Here it's ulta. Okay, scientists are less, non-scientist people are more. Okay, so, and of course it's definitely going to impact your what you call system as well as the process and everything. Okay, but anyways, it's government. Okay, they have the right to do anything. Okay, but a very good institution, so DRDO. So if you get a chance, please visit. Okay, please visit. Okay, so this is today's organization. Okay, the best government organization. Okay, so first institute which we have covered, DRDO. Okay, so defense research and development organization. Okay, so if you are interested, so please gather more information, okay, about DRDO, and trust me, you will definitely become a fan. Okay, you will definitely become a fan of DRDO. Okay, so very good. Okay, so that was today's government organization. Okay, so moving on. So we have a lot of amazing things to cover. Okay, so let's get started with the counting figures. Okay, so yesterday, so we did few types. I'm going to first summarize all that, okay, before we forget, because all the types are important. Okay, so I'll just quickly run through. Okay, so all the types that you have done till now. So type 1, it's all about squares. Okay, total number of squares inside a square. The formula is going to be this. Okay, you have the luxury to choose any one of the two formula to solve. Okay, so this is your type 1, total number of squares inside a square. Okay, so type 2. Okay, so we did type 2. So where is type 2? So type 2 is here. Yes. So type 2, find the total number of squares inside a rectangle. Okay, so find the number of squares inside a rectangle. So this is your type 2. And the formula, you can see mn plus m minus 1 into n minus 1, so on, till one of the terms become 0. This is type 2. Again, to find number of squares, but inside a rectangle. Okay, inside a rectangle. This is type 2. And also, we did type 3. Okay, so we did type 3. So in type 3, both, okay, rectangle and square. Okay, how to find rectangle and square? Use the formula. So this is your formula. So which says mn into m plus 1 into n plus 1 divided by 4. Okay, this is your type 3, rectangle and square. Okay, rectangle and square. This is type 3. Okay, so in this type only, so we have, okay, few variations. Okay, so which I think we covered yesterday. If we did not cover, then I will do the a slight variation. So in type 3 itself. Okay, so what is that variation? Yes, excluding the squares, you have to find only rectangles. Okay, only rectangles, excluding the squares. Okay, so here, so rectangles and squares, you have the formula in type 3. Right? So rectangles plus the squares is nothing but rectangles is separate, squares is separate. You add them, so you get your formula like this. Okay, so total number of rectangles, you can solve this using type 3. Okay, so below 150 I have written. Okay, so total number of rectangles only rectangles you should find. Okay, only rectangles you should find. Only squares you have type 2. Okay, only squares you have type 2. Okay, so we will see some questions so that you get practice. Okay, so about this type 3, the twisted version. Okay, about this type 3, the twisted version. Okay, so yesterday, so we had done one chota sa question. So we'll do one more, okay, in type 3, because we are almost coming to the end of the types. Okay, so once we complete all the types, okay, then we can go out and solve those worksheet questions full on. Okay, so now, so chota sa example. So just to check your type 3, so twisted question skill. Okay, so very simple, easy question only I will give. Do not worry. So yesterday, so you attempted this question, okay, of only rectangles. Okay, only rectangles which you attempted yesterday. Same type. Okay, same type only I'm going to ask. Okay, same type only I'm going to ask. Okay, so do not worry. So simple, easy question. So what is the question? So I will tell you the question. Okay, very nice. So simple, easy. So this is 4 into 2 rectangle. Okay, this is 4 into 2 rectangle. So where m is 4, n is 2. So I'm telling you all the information. So what should you find? So question number 1. Find the number of rectangles including the squares. I'm going to write here, find the number of rectangles including, okay, including squares. So substitute the formula, okay, and you'll get the answer. So you want help, you want me to write the formula. so I can definitely write the formula. Okay, so this is the formula number 3. Okay, type 3 formula. So I'm going to write here the formula mn. So m plus 1 n plus 1 whole divided by 4. Okay, so substitute in this formula and you will get the answer. Okay, so this is to find rectangles and squares. Including means along with. Okay, including means along with. Okay, along with rectangles and squares. Okay, so how much is this? So you have to substitute in the question and solve. Okay, that's all. So you have this question, you substitute the value of m, you substitute the value of n, and you will get the answer. Okay, so very nice. So some of you have started sending me the answer. Okay, so very good. And I'll also just quickly, okay, I'll also just quickly solve over here so that you also know. So m is my 4 into 2. I'm going to write here. So 4 into 2. So then m plus 1 is 4 plus 1. N plus 1 is 2 plus 1. So divided by 4. Okay. So very nice. So if you solve this, you will get the answer. Just make sure you do not, make any silly mistakes while simplifying. 4 2s are 8 into 5 into 3 divided by 4. Okay, I'm going to cancel the terms. 4 1s are 4 2s are. Okay, so next I have 2 into 5 into 3. So that is 10 into 3, 30. Okay, so hence the total number of rectangles and squares. Okay, total number of rectangles and squares, it is 30. Right here. Okay, so total number of rectangles and squares is 30. Okay, so I can also just rephrase this statement and write total number of rectangles including squares. Okay, including squares is 30. Okay, that's all. Both the statement mean the same. Okay, so do not get confused. Both the statement is the one and the same. Okay, so this is our first question. Okay, so this is our first question. Okay, so next what we will do is the second type. Okay, what is the second type? So I'm going to write the question. So you already know the question. So find the number of rectangles excluding squares. Okay, excluding squares. You see, I have written in the bracket. Okay, excluding squares. Squares beta. Okay, excluding squares. That means you have to find only rectangles. Okay, you got to find only rectangles. That is the question. Okay, so very nice. Okay, some of you have sent me the answer. Okay, so very quick. So Ganga and Sneha have sent the answer. Okay, so yes, also Vinayak as well as Vishwas. Okay, so but please check, some of you have sent wrong answer, Pranamya. Okay, so you please verify again the way you have solved. You want help, I can definitely help. So over here, what you do, so we have already seen total number of rectangles including squares is given by our type 3. Okay, our type 3. In the previous question only we solved. Okay, so which is nothing but how many? 30. Okay, so we have 30. So I'll write here. So total number of rectangles including the squares is our 30. Okay, 30. So this is nothing but rectangles only plus squares only. Okay, so rectangles is separate, squares is separate. If you add them, then you should get 30. Okay, then you should get 30. Okay, so but we do not know how many rectangles are there. That is the question. Okay, so this squares only you can definitely solve using type 2. Okay, using type 2 formula you can apply and you can solve only squares. Okay, you can solve only squares. So how do we do that? Okay, I'm going to show here type 2 only squares. So we have the formula. Okay, so please remember the formula. Don't worry, at the end I'll summarize all the formula so that you are aware of all the formula. Okay, so we have the formula like this. So till one of the term becomes 0. Okay, so you got to substitute. So what is this? So this is nothing but our 4 into 2 rectangle. So we have 4 into 2, and next I'm going to substitute the values. Substitute the values so that you know what is happening in each and every step. So 8 plus this is 3 into 1 plus 2 into 0. So there you go. You have 8 plus 3. So which is 11. So you have only squares 11. So there are 11 squares only. Okay, so there are 11 squares, only squares. So which I'm gonna write it over here. So 30 is equal to x plus 11. Solve for x and there you go. You get your answer. Okay, so very simple, very easy. And some of you have got it correct. Okay, some of you made mistake. So whoever made mistake, so you please correct your mistake. Learn from the mistake and do not repeat the same mistake. So hence the total number of rectangles only is 19. Okay, so there are only 19 rectangles exclusively. Okay, exclusively there are 19 rectangles. Okay, so I'm going to repeat the question. Okay, I'm going to repeat the question again. So those who did not understand, so please see again. See, the thing is you can definitely sit and count, but it's going to kill your time because every question you have very limited amount of time to solve the question. And they will not give you easy questions like 4 into 2 rectangle or 3 into 2 rectangle. They're going to give Okay, so I hope you can hear me. Okay, if you can hear me, you can just send me the chat. Okay, so the laptop got disconnected, so the power cut. Okay, so do not worry. So once this laptop gets connected, then you can see me as well. Okay, so very good. So for the next couple of minutes, you have to just hear my voice and get adjusted with that. Okay, so once the power is back, okay, once the generator gets connected, I am definitely going to connect my laptop also. Okay, so there you go. I hope you can see the screen as well. So yes, so as I was telling, okay, the first thing, so you have to find the number of rectangles, so including the squares, using the formula. Okay, the formula which we have seen over here, the type 3 formula. So once you have your type 3 formula, solve that. Okay, so next they will definitely gonna come up with a twist question, that is to find the number of rectangles excluding the square. Okay, excluding the, have little bit of practice. Okay, so once you have a sufficient amount of practice, okay, you'll definitely understand more. Okay, so we'll definitely solve few questions. So once you solve some questions, okay, so next you will have an idea. Okay, you will have an idea. Okay, so if you understood this question, you can click on the yes icon. Okay, so by the way, my video is also back. Okay, you can now see me as well as hear me. Okay, so if you understood this question, you can click on yes. If you did not understand the question, okay, so you can definitely tell me in the chat, okay, which part you did not understand. Okay, and while sending the chat, okay, so sending the chat, you can just send it to my my account. Okay, so now I'll just quickly show this video, and then we'll continue. Okay, so what is the video? So this is the add activity. Okay, we'll do this add activity and then we'll continue with our class. So where is it? Yes. So we got to do this Chota add activity. Okay, so did we do add activity yesterday? Okay, so you can just send me in the chat. Okay, so did we do add activity yesterday? Okay, you can. Okay, we did not do. Okay, so okay, no problem. Okay, so then today we will do. Okay, today we'll do the add activity. Okay, so let us see if you can identify this ad. Okay, so very famous ad. Okay, so do not worry now. Anyway, IPL is starting. Okay, you will have to watch so many ads. Okay, so now carefully listen. Everybody has been, in the business for so long, so they're doing like amazing ad. Okay, amazing ads with lot of meaning. Okay, with lot of meaning. So I just want to ask, what did you understand from this video, from the message perspective? Okay, don't tell me Cadbury is good and all that. That I also know. Okay, but what message did you understand from the video? You can quickly chat. Okay, you can send in the chat. Okay, so Pranamya says kindness. Okay, you have to send me to the host account. Okay, so now you can see I am the host. Okay, you can send it to the host account. Okay, so Sujana says respect. Sumit says we need to help everyone. Okay, so Krishna says something should happen. Okay, Samruddhi says nobody is big or small. Rutuja says spreading humanity. Okay, Soham says saying thank you. So Janvi says we should help others irrespective of our problems. Preetham says just say thank you. Okay, so Shravan says kindness. So Krishna again says something good and kind things. Okay, something good and kind things. And any other responses? Okay, any other responses you can type in the chat and tell me. So Sumit says kindness is always to be showed by everyone. Okay, so but overall, okay, I hope all of us have seen this. Okay, all of us have understood the video. Okay, so the important thing I just want to tell here is that apart from all the prestige, status, whatever we have, okay, so keep aside your ego and help the people who are in need. Okay, so it doesn't matter how big a person you are. Okay, all of us are human beings at the end of the day. Okay, so we need to show some humanity and kindness, as most of you have mentioned. Okay, and help each other. And once somebody helps you, do not forget to say thank you. Showing gratitude is very important, especially in present situation, present times. Okay, many people help others, but we just take them for granted. We never say thank you. Why? Okay, say thank you. Okay, so it doesn't matter. Okay, it doesn't matter whoever it is. Okay, it will always make the other person feel good. Okay, so it will appreciate. Okay, so it will appreciate. It will continue the gesture. Okay, so and soon everybody would like to help everybody. Okay, so two things: keep aside your ego and do not forget to say thank you. Okay, so this is the message. Okay, so keep aside your ego and help people. Okay, so this is one thing. Second, show gratitude. Say thank you to people who have helped you. Okay, so very important. Okay, do not forget that. So say thank you. So to all those who have helped you in small way, big way, whatever it is. Okay, so make it a point. Okay, that was the ad activity. Okay, so we'll just solve this question. Okay, so in the worksheet, okay, just to check if you have understood type 3. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly share my screen, okay, with the question, and hopefully you should be able to solve this. Okay, so which question is this? I'm going to show you the question. Okay, so where is the question? Yes, so question is here. So I'm going to share my screen back. So there you go on your screen now. You should be able to see the question paper, the worksheet. Okay, so we have till now just done type 3. Okay, type 1, type 2, type 3. That's all. Okay, so let us see if you have understood type 3. Okay, I want you to solve question number 16. Okay, so again, keep these two things in your mind: formula and common sense. Okay, so very important. Formula along with common sense will help you. Okay, question number 16. Okay, you got to find the number of rectangles excluding squares. You see here, I have underlined that statement. Okay, I have underlined that phrase excluding the squares. Okay, so what is the figure? The figure that you see just above the question. Okay, so that is the figure. Okay, in the screen now, you can see only one figure. Okay, that is the figure. That's all. Okay, so I'm going to launch the poll and let us see if you can select the correct answer. And those who have selected the correct answer means you have understood the question. You have understood the concept. Okay, so this is the question along with the option. Okay, so you have 4 options. Select the correct option. So I'll give you 1 minute to solve on your own. Then after that, I'm going to start solving. So I'm telling you again, formula and common sense. So both are important to solve this question. Okay, so once your 1 minute is over, then I'm going to start solving this question. So use the formula and common sense. Okay, and if you have solved, okay, so please send your answer in the chat. Okay, I'll be happy to see appreciate you if you have sent the correct answer. Okay, so where you should send? You should send it to the host. Okay, you see I am the host. Okay, you send it to the host account. Okay, I hope you can see me. So there was this chota sa problem. It just got disconnected and connected back. Okay, yes. So you can send your answer to the host account. Okay, wait. 1 second, 1 second. So I will change my host. Okay, wait. Okay, so I will change the host, then you send it to that host account because I want my laptop to be my host. Okay, good. So now I have changed the host account to my laptop. So you can send your answers again, okay, to my host account. Okay, so sorry for the inconvenience. So I'm going to display the question back again. Okay, yes. So there you go. I have, launched the poll as well. So please select the answer from the poll. So some of you have sent your answers in the chat. So very good to see Sujana, Krishna, Samriddhi, Pranamya, Preetam, Siddharth, Manoj, Janvi. Okay, so all of you have answered. So you please select your answer from the poll as well. Okay, a fast man. Okay, so if you're unable to solve, you need help, then I can definitely solve. Okay, so here what you should do. So I'm going to take my notepad screen as well. Okay, so that I can do both the question as well as the answer just next to each other. So there you go. I'm going to share my screen again. So here I will write question number 16. Okay, so this question. So I will show the diagram as well. Okay, I'll show the diagram. So where is the diagram? Yes, so this is our diagram. Okay, so in this diagram, I hope you can see options. I'll show later. Don't worry. You at least see the question. Okay, the diagram. Okay, so over here, I will first solve. So total number of rectangles including the squares. Okay, so including squares. Okay, so which we have just now learned. Okay, so in our type 3. Okay, so simple. So you have to put this formula. Okay, so that is m plus 1 divided by 4. So what is this? This is your 3 into 2 rectangle. So I'm going to write here 3 into 2 rectangle. Okay, so where m is equal to 3 and n is equal to 2. So you write like this and you will get the total number of rectangles and squares. Okay, so simplifying this question, so you will get your answer as 18. Okay, but remember this is not our final answer. This is rectangles and squares. Okay, this is rectangles and squares. Okay, so but now, so we will write here rectangles and squares is nothing but rectangles only plus squares only. Okay, so again, so we got to use type 2, okay, and solve this further. Okay, and so that I can get my x. Okay, so type 2. So what is type 2? So just going to quickly solve over here itself. So type 2 squares only. Okay, so in this, substitute the formula. So we have mn plus m minus 1 into n minus 1. Okay, and so on till one of the terms becomes 0. Okay, so what type of rectangle is this? This is our 3 into 2 rectangle. So there you go. I have my equation. So like this. So if I solve this, So 6 plus 2. So that is nothing but 8. Okay, so what is this 8? This is only squares. Okay, so which I'm going to substitute over here. Okay, so 18 is equal to x plus 8. So now, what is this x? So this x is equal to 10. Okay, so but if you look at the options, okay, so you do not have 10 as the option at all. Okay, so you carefully see. So you do is 13. Option 2 is 15. Option 3 is 11. And option 4 is 14. Okay, but then what is missing? Okay, so what did we do here? Okay, how can the formula go wrong? The formula can never go wrong. Only we can go wrong. Okay, the formula will be correct. Before answering the question, I said two things are important. One is formula. And what is the another thing which I said that is important? Who can send me in the chat? Who can type and send me in the chat? Along with formula. Okay, so you should also have a very important skill, that is common sense. Fantastic. Manoj, yes, Soham, Janvi, Vrishali, Preetham, everyone. Okay, see, everyone agree. Along with the question, we need to have common sense. And what is the common sense? I'm going to show you the common sense right here. Okay, so if you look at this diagram, so they had asked to find the number of rectangles only. So look at the figure very, 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 very carefully. So there is a rectangle here. Okay, so there's a rectangle here. And there's also a rectangle there. And can you find one more rectangle? You can definitely find one more rectangle over here. So there you go. Okay, so you have 10 plus 3 rectangles. Okay, so mind you, they have asked you to find only rectangles. I don't want squares. Okay, I am interested, okay, in only rectangles. Okay, excluding the squares. The instruction is very clear. So you got to exclude the squares. You want only and only and only rectangles. Because the question clearly says you to find only the rectangles. Okay, and hence this 10 plus 3 rectangles in the figure will give you the complete answer. So which is 13 is our answer. And where is 13? So 13 is our option number 1. Okay, and when I look at the poll, which only few of you have attempted. Okay, so when I share the majority of you have selected the wrong answer. Okay, so only some of you, around 10 students, have selected the correct answer, that is 13. Okay, whereas majority of you have made a mistake. Okay, so please understand. Okay, your diagram is very, very, very important. Okay, so along with that, your common sense. Okay, so once you use the formula, open your eyes and look at the figure very, very carefully. Okay, so there you go. So over here, so what did we learn from this? Okay, we learned to use formula along with common sense. Okay, so carefully notice the diagram. Okay, so carefully notice the diagram. and check out if there's something else that you can understand or analyze from the diagram. Okay, so this is your question number 16. Okay, based on the type that we just now learned. Okay, so that is the rectangles. Okay, only the rectangles. Okay, so if you understood this question, you can click on the yes icon. Okay, if you understood this question, you can click on the yes icon. Okay, if you did not understand the question, okay, so please tell me which part you did not understand so that I can just quickly explain that question. Okay, so here you see, okay, you can definitely tell that so square is also a rectangle. Okay, square is also a special rectangle. Okay, which I completely do not deny. But read the question now carefully. They have clearly said, very crystal clearly they have said, excluding squares. And I hope you know the meaning of excluding the squares. That means you should not consider the square no matter what. Okay, so no matter what, you cannot consider the square. So that is very, very clear. So we are going with only and only and only rectangle. Okay, so and that is, so that is, I hope, clear. Okay, so squares or special squares. Now you may also say rhombus is a special square. Okay, of course, excluding the squares means excluding the special squares as well. Okay, so that means focus is one and only on the rectangles. Okay, so that is why we have done the questions based on this, and I hope you understand with what basis the question is designed. The question is designed in such a way that you have to consider only the rectangles, and I hope that is very clear. Okay, so that is your question number 16. Okay, so moving on, I'll just introduce. Okay, I'll just introduce the next type. Okay, so I will not push further. Okay, so I'll just introduce the next type. Okay, and we're gonna just stop after this. Okay, so I have something else to do as well. Okay, so we have different things to complete. So type 4. So what is this? Okay, so this is one of my favorite. Okay, so I love this. So this is the type, okay, so which is kind of little close to my heart. How many triangles are there in this figure? Okay, so you see, this is the question which we have in type 4. Okay, so let us see who can tell the correct answer. Janvi is correct. Okay, so Soham, Sneha, Pranamya. Okay, so everybody, yes. Okay, so absolutely correct. If you count the number of, okay, this blue color, you see 1, 2, 3, 4, and the outer triangle. Okay, so 4 inside triangles, so plus 1 outer triangle. What is that outer triangle? You see the boundary. Okay, so which I did in the blue color. Okay, so total you have 5 triangles. Okay, so fantastic. Okay, life is so simple if the diagram is also so simple. But unfortunately, you don't get so simple diagrams. Okay, so now, so moving ahead. Okay, so okay. So this is the triangle. Okay, so now please tell me how many triangles are present in this diagram. Okay, so I want you to calculate only the triangles. Find the number of triangles. Okay, present in this diagram. Okay, and there you go. I'm already getting answers of different values. Okay, the last question. Everybody said 5 triangles. Some of you are telling 11, some of you are telling 13, some of you are telling 15, some of you are telling 12, and some of you are telling 10. Okay, so how can you have different answers? Okay, so you see over here, when you start simply counting, okay, so you may end up with some error or something. Okay, and that too, this is like very simple triangle. I didn't even make the complex one. Okay, this is just a Chotu triangle. Okay, so how to solve questions of this type? Okay, where you got to find the triangles. So I'm going to tell you the formula in the next class. Okay, so let's have some suspense. Okay, so the questions related to triangles, so my favorite. Okay, we're going to do it in the next class. Okay, so with this, okay, so we're gonna wind off. Okay, we're gonna wind off today's class. Okay, so you keep exploring. Okay, keep thinking. Okay, but anyway, next class I'm going to tell you the formula. Using the formula, within 20 seconds, you can calculate and tell the correct answer. Okay, we have a formula. So we have a formula for every type. Okay, what is the formula? I'm going to tell you in the next class. Okay,